Zara Safa, what does the cat say?
Meow.
What does the dog say?
Woof woof.
What does the cow say?
Moo.
What does the sheep say?
Ba ba ba.
Baba. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy girl lives down the lane. What does the elephant say? What does the duck say? Quack, quack. What does the chicken say? Chicken? What does the mouse say? What does the pig say? Oink oink. What does the monkey say? What does the monkey say? It's okay. What does the monkey say? Safa, what does the cat say?
Meow meow.
Meow. What Zara? What does the cow say? Cow said, "It's okay, nice. You are very pretty."
Yeah.
Mashallah. What does the elephant say? Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Bye.